Supreme Court to hear plea on alleged hate speech by Assam CM. The Supreme Court has agreed to urgently hear petitions accusing the Assam Chief Minister of repeated hate speeches. These petitions have been filed by CPI and CPIM seeking the registration of FIRs against the Chief Minister. So, what is the core issue here? The petitioners argue that public speeches and social media posts made by a constitutional authority have targeted a particular community and violated the constitutional values of secularism and fraternity. One controversial post, now deleted, allegedly depicted violence against members of a religious community. This is where the constitutional question arises. Does freedom of speech protect hate speech? The Supreme Court has repeatedly held that Article 19 is not absolute. Speech that incites violence or communal hatred can be reasonably restricted. For UPSC aspirants, this case is extremely valuable. It connects GS Paper to Constitution, Judiciary, and Rule of Law, and ethics, especially accountability of those in power. It also provides real life examples for mains answers and case studies. This case highlights a central challenge of Indian democracy: how to protect free speech while preserving social harmony.